So today I'm gonna be making a pencil, I guess. Well, so all I need is a no-colored wooden pencil yeah. I already started because I was so excited to do it and I didn't have an idea to do it. So I kind of got a little bit and I need to finish it. And yeah, I'm going to show you how to make it. So you need a wooden pencil that does not have anything on it. Mine kind of has stuff on it, but I'll color that up. And colors, more like upgrade colors. And yeah, I'm gonna need all the stuff that I dropped on the floor. That's why I picked it up. So, I'm gonna make the pencil so it's not awkward right now. Totally actually not awkward. Let's just get started. So first we need red. Like I kind of started, it looks like orange. So, I'll color that up. And then, after we're done, we're gonna spread it with this tape. And yeah, my mom's gonna come in after and help me with that. So, right, Mom? My mom isn't really good at talking. I actually said with my mouth closed. Yeah. Yeah, honey. Oh, she said yes for real. I'm just kidding. So, Mom, if you're watching this, I love you. Or no, I don't. Just kidding. I really love you. And if you're someone random who's watching, leave a like. And I mean, leave a like. Just like you liked when I was reading that GT book. So, my color. And I need a time lapse, but I don't have those kind of things. Neither do I have magic. So, I'm gonna have magic. 3, 2, 1. That's magic there. I finished the first layer. Let's go, babe. Oh, why? Why? Let's move on to the next color. Orange. Boom, boom, boom. So, let's color now. Color, color, color. How about let's use some magic? 3, 2, 1, done. So the next color is done. We're gonna make a rainbow with colors. Got red and orange, and you're gonna see it.
I am not in the mood right now. Shut it. I don't care if you're doing a video.
Luna, no! Sorry, guys. So we have half of it colored by magic. This time, I think I'm gonna use magic right before I leave. And orange is done. So, what's next? No, dun. Yep. Oh my gosh, I dropped it. Just a second, need to go down to this. Hey, where did the marker go? Down in the basement. open it because Magic can't open it. And boom, boom, boom. Apparently, none of it showed up. Yellow is just done with whatever this color is. But we can just skip to green, yellow, and then not done section. Bye-bye. Oh, that's weird. Shoot! I need to write something after this. That's why I need to grab paper. Oh, just a second. Just kidding. Magical magic. Make it open. Whoa, it worked. Little magic. At the end, I'll show you. At the end, we're gonna make a rainbow on a picture using this. So I'm gonna make a rainbow with the rainbow on the rainbow. Thank you, Magic. It's done. Sorry, I was silent for there a second. So, you want to see something? Let me have you.